Okay, what we got here is a couple 049s. This is one of my Ringmasters with a rebuilt Cox Baby B on it. We're going to go through one of these I bought off of eBay, take it apart. I typically paid about 20 bucks for it with shipping. I'm going to probably put another 20 bucks in parts with it, new glow head, gaskets, dunk it in the tank. Typically, usually on the inside, there has old fuel in them, and they get clogged up and don't run. This is one I taken out of a Hyper Viper. My daughter bought several years ago. As you can see, I think we only flew it twice. And it's sat for about 10-15 years, and with the fuel in it, and just pretty much deteriorated the plastic. And it just fell apart. So I took the engine out of that and started over with it. This thing runs like a top. I think I only flew it twice, which typically what happens with all these old Coxes. They get flown, wrecked, and then stashed in somebody's garage for 10-20 years. So we're going to go through this one, take it apart, and see what happens. Okay, you can see we got it all apart. O-ring's pretty much shot. I'm going to do this on the phone. It's all corroded. Pickup tube's pretty much stuck on there. We're going to take the rest of it apart and throw it in the carburetor tank, let it sit overnight, and we'll put it back together with all new parts. Okay, as you can see, angle here, it's all gunked up with old fuel. But everything turns still good. So we'll throw it in the tank. Alright. The other camera here, whoops. Okay, as you can see, we got all our nice clean parts. Came out real good. We're going to replace the Venturi gasket, pickup hose. We'll replace the cam, put a new starter spring on it. This little tool, you can see that. We're going to screw that in there and just tap that old one out. We got new pickup tubes, and springs. Springs are in there somewhere. And we're going to replace all that. Tap this out and I'll be right back. Okay, as you can see, nice little tool. We just whacked it with a hammer a couple of times and pressed the old thrust bearing out. And we'll press the new one in. Alright, we got our new cam. Put the piston back in there in the sleeve. There's our O-ring gasket. Nice clean tank. Pickup tube with a spring. And we're just going to put it all back together and give it a test run. Alright, we got the tank on. We're going to put a new glow plug on it. Spring, snap starter, prop. Cleaned up the needle valve. And we're going to go give her a test run. Okay, there you go. One complete engine. Ready to test run. 6.3 prop with a new rubber spinner. These are what goes into all my planes that I saw on eBay, your 22-inch baby Ringmaster. So I thought I'd give it a little video of what I do to the engines, go through them, then I'll test run each one. And I usually don't have any problems with them. They start right up. So I hope you guys enjoy that. And thank you for watching. And be sure to look at my planes available on eBay. That's a 22-inch baby Ringmaster. Ready to fly. And thank you for watching.